welcome back. It's Christine again with the Artist Pod, and today we're going to talk about how to draw a rat. So, let's get arting. Okay, so here's the rat. I've already drawn him out. We are just going to hop right in. So just like always, I've got to sort out fur direction. So this layer I do consider another sketch layer. There's a couple different colors in the rat, and so I was also trying to sort that out as I was drawing it. Okay, so as we start adding highlights, I'm going to say the light source is coming from over here, above and to the right, and in front of, like always, so there'll be more of a highlight hitting on this side. And let's just get to it. Whenever I choose a light source, I'm always mindful that it is going to be a side that's going to highlight my subject the best. So if it's not going to highlight it very well, if it leaves it too much in shadow, it won't show up as nicely, right? So I'm always mindful of how I've drawn it as to where my light source will be. And as I was doing the head and connecting it back, you don't want the separation of the head to be too distinct. There'll be a part where the head and the neck kind of look like one, where there's no big distinct separation, otherwise it can look like it's not part of the same composition. The entire time I was drawing this, I was thinking of The Secrets of Nim. And rats, their feet and their hands have partial fur on it, and then, the fur gives way to sort of bare skin, and so making sure that I got the right separation and that it was distinct is important to making sure it looks nice and rat-like. And, fingers, just like with anything else, the fingers and toes, it's easier to think of them as individual shapes that you're highlighting. It helps break down how the highlight should go. They're sort of separate ovals in sort of the context of a bigger whole. They're also very, they can have a lot of sort of extra fluff, which is what that is. I'm adding the whiskers and that fluff to make sure it looks, hairy, fluffy. Alright, so that is how you draw a rat. I hope that was helpful. In the floating nether next to me, I have other videos of art tutorials I have done, and I will see you all soon. Thank you so much. Take care.